daughter having a snowball fight. She's from California. She hasn't seen snow. Here we are on the tracks train, heading into the big city. We're zipping right by. But we made it off. We're now in the conference center. The production at the Joseph Smith was just fantastic. This is such a beautiful building.
The life of the Savior as he was being born, before he was born, as he was being born, and then at the end of his life. If when we were sitting up here, we do have big screens that come out of the ceiling and they come down on this first panel of gold lights along the wall. They come down about where those gold lights are. So when you're sitting up here, you do have the big screens that you can watch. You can see that everything that's happening on this page, but if you were looking at it, 60 stairs!
I counted 56. I must have missed some. We're on top of the building. I counted 56.
Hey, where's the room?
I put them in my pocket. You need another one? What? You want another?
Thank you. Yes, please.
Okay, we got one more level to go down. Careful, girls, careful. Hang on the handrail. This one. Let's see, I guess it's... Down on the street. Oh, okay. Come here, girls. You gotta see this, though. Come here.
Come on, girls. Hurry! I'm gonna wait.
Now you can see it really good. You see how it's big and then it gets smaller and smaller and smaller until it's just a tiny one up at the top? It comes out of the tower. We'll stand by. There's the big waterfall. Go ahead. You're fine. February the 21st, Tuesday. I think it's 21st. This is the street that we live on. This is out at the Liahona High School. Our house. That car's not ours. That's somebody across the street parked in there today. They didn't know we had moved in. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Whew, huge. But this is just temporary. This is for 3 weeks. To the school. This is the middle school, and then they have a high school down on the other end. I'm not sure how many students are here yet. This is just across the street from us. Palm trees all over the place. Just look at all those palm trees. These are 2 of our elders. You're which zone? Where are you at? Which zone did you go to? You don't know? Where were you? Are you just brand new?
No.
You've been here a long time? Are you zone leaders?
No.
No. The one that will talk to me. Can you talk to me? Where are you at? Where are you assigned? Oh, don't be shy. I gotta send these home to my kids at home. This is transfer day. We got all our luggage. All these neat elders are going out to different places. And where are you going? I understand your boat got capsized or transferred or something. ones? Avalo. Oh, okay. What?
When we came here, they had a gate across, or this
Lock on it. This is the bay where Captain Cook came to Tonga. This is his marker. What is
The
it?
States. We're going home in 3 weeks. Oh, we've been here for a year and a half.
Tour guide. This is one of their cemeteries. Looks like big blankets hanging up there. I don't really know what they are.
cemetery. They decorate their cemetery.
But does the blanket things have a representation of something?
Oh, it's just something fancy, just to decorate it.
To decorate it, huh? This is one of the marvels. How they got those stones here. Look how big they are. What do they call this place?
It's a longi.
A longi.
Which is a royal burial ground.
Royal burial ground. This is the little branch church they have here. Really quite pretty out here. The ocean or the lagoon is just right out there. They used to build ships on top of this hill. This is one of our little missionary houses. The church builds these on members' property. And then they don't get paid, is that right? The member doesn't get paid anything for them? No rent on them or anything. And there is the ocean just right there. This is the member's house whose property this is on. Tour guides today. Brother and Sister Purnell. That's the ones we're going to replace. They're going home in March. 2 weeks they're counting. This is the Hot Munga. They're one of the, like the trilogy. They say it represents kind of like Stonehenge. They don't really know where these rocks came from. Been here for long, many years. Millions of years. Well, hundreds of years that they've known about. Since people have been here. These little openings through the trees are the direct paths for the sun that hits on me at a certain time for the solaces, different solaces. There's the Hot Umanga from where we were, and they say that's the entrance to the king's palace. So we walk down here. Legend has it that this is the backrest for his throne in his residence. Built around this rock foundation. Can't see it from here. Look at that tree. Oh, beautiful. Such a pretty color. Here we are on the ocean. Pretty. This one over here, this island over here. See it in the distance is Ewa, E-W-E-U-A, Ewa. We have missionaries over there, rainforests. Really pretty, lots of timber. Stake of the church over there. Not really very long. This is where they came to see during the millennium, for the sunrise, and they said there were so many people here, everybody on the whole island was here. Tents up, music playing. Just pan around here so we can see how pretty this is. Sea meets the sky. This is quite a pastoral sediment. Scenery. Why do I say sediment? Scenic area. That's Uea again. Uea. Filming right now. We're at the blowholes down the 7th. This comes in really. That wasn't as big, huh? Or did it just not look big through my camera?
No, it wasn't a big one.
It wasn't a big one. Maybe this one. Ooh, that was a good one. Oh, my heavens. Look at this.
So now this is about now it's going. No, it's not gonna be a good one. Oh, it looks like a good one. Looks like it could be.
Woo! My goodness. Oh, look at these. Yeah. Holy cow.
Wave came in and took him off.
Oh,
Where was that at?
dear.
Oh, is it down at Good
No, no, it wasn't here. It was one of the other islands.
I don't
It's probably the end of him, wasn't it?
Here comes a good one, they're telling me. Let's see what it does. Oh, this one over here?
This is the good one.
This is the
That
good
looks
one.
good. Ooh, that looks
Woo! Oh, dear. All the way down. No, this is not the swimming beach. Oh, look at those down there. Oh, my goodness. I can't.
just have to remember it.
Yeah. You can't, it doesn't show how high they are. I mean, just look at that. Just look how much
If you walk
energy
down
that
there
would
in this
be.
little knoll here, you can get a view of those down there, because those are pretty awesome there.
Yeah, they are. Just look. My word. Look how blue that water is. Isn't that something?
That's going to be a high one there. Look at that one. Oh, my goodness, there's not ever a good one. This will probably be another good one coming in. There we are.
Oh, my land. Look at that one. Oh. Crash, and up they go.
No, it didn't go high like that other one.
Does it eventually wear those rocks away, or how does...
Well, a little bit,
they
but
built
over.
up.
Oh, they
This has
build
been
up.
going on for how many thousands
Of
and
years.
thousands of years.
So the rocks actually build up. It doesn't wash them.
Because look at all the coral out there on the rock. They're coral rock. And coral rock is alive.
Oh, yeah, that's right. It is, isn't it? So walk down on this little point down here, you say?
Yeah, that's a
Oh, my word. It's just kind of like porous rocks, and they just come up through those holes. Where are the big ones? Blue, blue water. No, they don't.
still building up in
So they can't play that back.
They could put in the adapter. You'd have to have
You
the
have
adapter.
the adapter?
I have one here, but the other one's home. Go on, build up.
I've never seen any boats out here. I wonder if they do any fishing. Up at the other end of the island, they said you can do a lot of fishing out there because there's a reef out there.
Oh.
By that reef, there's a lot of fish.
Sorry about that. Here's Elder Griffin.
Wait for
On
this
his
wave, though.
P-Day, waiting for one of these waves to wash him away.
If there's any indication, it should be good. Not so strong.
No, that wasn't quite as big as the others. That water is so blue.
We have one island that's mostly hot.
We can't get all the way. Oh.
Nature. But you'll see it sometime. You can get a picture of your husband sitting on top of the camel's head.
Camel's head. It'll be an area. Here are the kids going to school, the Liahona High School. With one stripe on the bottom means they're in middle school. Some of them getting out of the bus. 2 stripes on them. They're the high school kids. There's a little group walking. Yeah, the sound is our noisy car.
Got him?
I got him. They say these are tigers. They guard the princess's palace. But the same person that did the BYU Cougar did that one. That's the prince's palace up there. Or his dwelling, I guess it's not his palace, it's just his house. Every school has its own color. So this is another school.
Wherever that little blue house is.
That is, looks like a water place. We're getting ready to move out of where are we? The Liahona place, so we thought we better get a nighttime shot of this pretty temple before we leave here.
Went through there the other night. That was the 32nd temple we've been through.
Yep.
We're in.
32nd one. That was really pretty, so I can get that pretty glass thing near her window.
It really is. It's the only temple I've been in where the mirrors in the celestial room are stained. Or mosaic.
Temple Tonga. I'll get one in the daytime so we can see how pretty it is. Another school color. Okay, you're elder? And you're elder? Oh, you're Elder Cornett. Oh, you're the one that interviewed the kids for the baptism? Neat. Okay, let me see you take off.
You should have got new bikes together.
Oh, yes. New bikes for the camera. Okay,
Bye.
see ya. Be careful. Look both ways. Here's one of our heavy rainstorms. Cute little kids trying to take shelter. That's the Tongan flag. So we're back at Kanokapolo. We're trying to see the sunset again. That looks might be a little better. The waves are coming in not quite as high a tide tonight. This is our Sister Kubala, our mission president's wife. President Kubala, mission president. There's Elder Purnell, Sister Purnell. They're the ones leaving. Elder Griffin. These are our APs, Elder Smith and Elder Tupole. We're just having a farewell dinner.
Take you less than 5 minutes and I have to change it.
Okay, here's Elder Hopiati. He's going to tell us about this.
Okay, we're gonna tell you about this. This is little bugs,
Okay, let me-
insects from Niue for O. It's one
Oh,
of
is
the
this the
smaller
kid
islands.
that brought it down?
Yeah, this is a kid. He's gonna enter the MTC in May. These bugs are still alive. See, they're still moving. But I ate one earlier on
Oh, gross.
from this package. But it was twice the size as this one, yeah. And they're still alive. Can you see that little? It's still
Can you see
moving.
their mouth? You gotta make sure you bite their mouth so they don't bite you.
We're gonna watch Alder Smith eat one too, but I haven't eaten this one. So I'm gonna eat this, and it's gonna.
And then you're gonna throw up that, eat that one right there.
And they wanted me to try it. And I said, no, I might try the dog, but I don't think I'll try this.
I'm gonna eat the big one. Okay.
Elder? I don't think so.
Whatever you fight that.
Okay, he's gonna take a picture of me too.
Tingin yung kayo, kuya.
I've been there. This is my first time on.
Go
Is this your first time to eat it? How do you know that's how you're supposed to do?
I just heard stories about it. Ever since I come to Tonga, people have been telling me about this. So.
This Elder's from New Zealand, so this is new to him. I don't think you better, Elder.
Let me get a picture of it.
Look at you.
Do you think he should, Furiaki? Do you think he should eat
Yes,
this?
of course you
Yeah,
can. He's
I
not
have
gonna
to.
be here any longer.
And tell my
That's
parents
an
I love
ugly
it.
one, man.
Have you seen the movie Alien? Let's have a close up.
Oh.
Guys,
You can tell
if
he's
you
not.
would have been it before, it would have been
You
done.
can tell he's not really anxious to do this.
Go fuck it.
At least I can tell people I did this.
Twice.
These are weird looking
Why?
things, man.
So,
That's a big one.
just from the head. Ooh. Better get lam. One,
Just take
two,
guts.
three.
Okay, I'll do it. Ready? Ready? Here we go. One,
One,
two,
two,
three.
three. Ah, Elder!
Foul, man.
And it tastes like peanut butter, you say?
No, what does that
Tastes
taste
like
like?
peanut butter.
What does that one taste like?
This is more like peanut butter.
Yeah, gross. Your turn. Are you really going to do it,
Yeah, I'm
Elder?
gonna do the fight though.
And you wanna?
Wait, I need someone to take my picture.
He's gonna have a turn too.
Let's get. I want to get a picture of the fight.
Okay.
Get it all fight.
Damn.
Oh.
You're still chewing it? Shit. These are little ones. Where's the?
Take that one.
Okay, now Elder Smith. These are APs. They're
You
gonna
can
do this.
feel the guts moving inside.
I told you, man, it was gross shit.
Dude, your breath
I
stinks,
told
man.
you. Yeah, man. It's all from the stuff, man.
It's foul. Woo!
Let's
Let me get a
show you
picture of
what-
it. Okay, the olfacto was only a new olfacto. That's what you call an olfacto. See the head? There's another one for you right there. Other Hopadis already eaten them. He says they taste like peanut butter. But I don't really want to believe that.
So he's going to
But the
try it
secret to
himself.
this is you gotta bite the little, if you can see the little head, the little claws there. You gotta bite that before it bites you. And kill it.
What happens if it bites you?
It hurts really bad and it'll bite your tongue right off. Right, Hopo?
I don't know, man. I just heard about it.
He said that. That's what the kid from New
I was
Fall came.
successful, man. I still got
And
my
he came from New
tongue.
Fall, and other Hopo I said it tastes like peanut butter, but I'm not too sure.
You haven't tried it yet.
I haven't tried it yet. But like as he moves, you can feel the guts moving around in there.
Elder, just eat it.
Yeah, and it. But look at the mouth. I'm nervous that I'm not gonna get his mouth.
Just bite it. And just keep chewing it, even though, man, just
Before it
keep
bites me,
going
yeah.
and going and
Okay, now
going.
you gotta get my picture when I bite it. This is really foul. I'm gonna get him right up to the neck perfect so I can really
What
get
is
a
your
good
mom gonna say, bro?
bite on his head. Ready? One,
Yeah.
2, 3.
Oh, no. No. No.
Keep going, man. Keep going. Keep going.
Did you get him? Did you bite your tongue off?
No.
Does it taste like peanut
Oh,
butter?
you fuavito.
What does that say?
He said it was like, man, this is really delicious. It's all.
Makes me sick to my stomach.
Where are you going?
Here we go,
I'm
one
gonna
more.
throw up.
Oh, he's not even gonna think about
Go, go,
it.
go, go, go,
This is Elder Funiaki. He's just gonna. Oh my! He doesn't even have to think about it.
Did you get a
Yuck.
picture of me chewing it?
Yeah, man.
Ew. What does it taste like to you?
Yum.
Yum.
You know what it is? It tastes just like,
Peanut butter.
no, it tastes like,
This is our poor sick elder. He's getting sicker by the minute.